Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Manta. I wanted to do a daily update. I know a lot of you follow these daily updates, and just in general, Manta at this moment, it's a pretty interesting coin, all right? Because if you look at the market circumstances, we're very bullish, all right? Bitcoin right now is very bullish. It's at the highest we've been for over 2 years, so that's amazing to see. At 51,500. But then at the same point of time, we're seeing some bullish momentum for Manta right here. But yesterday, when I told you that I thought it was most likely we would get some more bullish momentum, at least up to the top of the range, because Manta at this moment, if you talk about market structure, it's ranging between 2.7 and $3 or 3.05. Yesterday, we actually got some bearish momentum. We actually had a bit of a big sell-off, all right? And that also had to do with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a bit of a flush right here in the early afternoon. But still, it's interesting to see what Manta is doing with these market circumstances, because Manta, if you look at the correlation between Bitcoin, it's actually not that high compared to other cryptos. But still, it's very much reacting to Bitcoin within its range. So I just wanted to quickly do an update in these market circumstances on Manta. Because like I said yesterday as well, at this moment, the main thing kind of to watch for Manta is which way we'll get a breakout. And obviously in these market circumstances, it's very, very easy to say for me that I think it's most likely we're going to get a bullish breakout. If you, for example, Manta is an Ethereum related coin, you cannot really call it Ethereum beta, but it's related to it. And then if you look at what Ethereum is doing and how strong it is, and if you look at the Ethereum against Bitcoin, also relatively strong right here, you would say that we'll get some more bullish momentum for Ethereum related coins as well. So that's bullish. Market circumstances are bullish. So why would Manta get a bearish breakout? And that's true to a certain extent, because in the end, let me quickly refresh my camera. Because in the end, I do agree that I think it's most likely that at some point of time, Manta is going to break above $3 and 3.05, and then it's going to rally up to 3.15 and 3.3. I think that's most likely, all right? I think it would be stupid to say that it's more likely to get a bearish breakout. However, as long as we haven't broken out, nothing is certain, all right? Because the thing is that Manta so far has always rejected the $3 area very, very strongly. All right, so we're getting a lot of bearish momentum from those levels. This is weird open interest. Let me quickly refresh that, because I'm not sure what that was all about. Can we actually? We need to see these numbers. Please, come on now. Because what you can see right now is that if you take a look at Manta, in this consolidation, you can see that the open interest, so the momentum is increasing, but it's not as high as the 11th of February when we did not break out. So I do think it's most likely that we'll get up to the top of the range now, but the only way we can actually break out, I think, is if we actually see the open interest going higher, all right? So if the open interest gets towards 100 million, and I think you can see the same if you look at the volume, and that might be a little bit easier for most of you. If you look at the volume over the last week, what you'll see is that the volume was the volume actually doesn't tell you that much. But I do think the volume needs to be around at least 250 million to get this bullish breakout. So do I think we'll be bullish? Yes. Do I think we can break out? Yes. But I don't think that with the circumstances we're in right now, we'll have that breakout. I think we need to see more momentum in terms of volume and open interest. Then we can break out and then we're fine. All right. So keep an eye on that. If the volume starts to drop down after hitting resistance around $3, what's going to happen then is that we'll just stay in this consolidation, and then we'll wait for some sort of big momentum later. So I'll keep you updated, but that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more info on my premium and signal group, which I have, very valuable. I tell you everything I want to tell you about the market in there, including my trades and investments, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.